dioxide and prevent soil erosion. They provide resources to like woods, food and medicines alongside rational opportunities for humans and supporting livelihoods of billions of people. Different types of forests exist, including tropical, temperate and boreal forest, the Amazon rainforest being a particular waste of examples. Biodiversity. Forest are heaven's wildlife, plants, hosting approximately 8% of world terrestrial species. Climates, regulations are absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, with EU forest alone capturing them about 10% of the EU's annual greenhouse gas emissions. Water management. Forest filters rainwater, replacing water tables and reduce surface runoff, helping to prevent flooding and improve water quality. Soil health. Tree roots anchor the soil in place, preventing erosion while falling leaves decompose the soil. Human uses and benefits. Resources. Forest assemble essential resources like wood for constructions, food, berries, nuts and fruits, and medicine, with over 25% of current medication originated from the forest. Livelihoods. Billions of people worldwide depend on the forest of their daily needs and livelihoods. Recreation. Forest offers opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, fishing, and wildlife observation. rainforest in the northern hemisphere's colder regions. Amazon rainforest. The Amazon, South America, are largest rainforest and big it would be in the largest country if it were its own nation. Forestry and sustainability management. Sustainable forest management practices just those in Finland ensure that the forest grown out is rate failing, increasing to over forest growing stock. Rewilding. Invest like a growing forestry, which combine the tree planting with all the other land uses like farming, helping restoring and maintaining the forest while also benefiting biodiversity and carbon sequestration. Some sort of modern medical comes from rainforest plants. Trees absorb between 10 or 150 gallons of water a day, but only keep about 5% of their own growth. Rains. Trees absorb storm water via their roots and intercept the surface on their own leaves, branches and trunks. Later they release 95% of their water and they absorb back in their air through combining process. So quite powerful cooling effect. are some forests which are invisible to human activities, and then there are some places which you can go and see them. In rainforest itself, all of 900 tons of living plants are living in there, only in rainforest. Forests are currently absorbing about 30% of all the CO2 emissions for globally, and that which are absorbing are like roots, fungi and microbes. So all healthy forests combines or rich layers of all different habits, types, and proving, shelters for multiple types of, biodiversity, but also, birds and species and mammal species as well. The area of primary forests worldwide have degraded by over 50, 80 billion hectares since 1990. About 1.6 billion peoples are demand on forest, like timbers, fuel, jobs, food and shelters. So we are all relying the ecosystem service and the forest products. is helping us and what different types of forest there are and what's funny and what's likable with them and with the things they are proving to us and how many people are demanding or supporting, human lives and etc. things and how many of oxygen they are absorbing or more important, more absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygens to us. So hopefully you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Press the like button if you do like the content, and thanks for subscribing and